show you how to add the text to your image in the Photoshop app. First we have to open up the app, and here it opens up like this. From here we just go into the left column, click on the T, which is the horizontal type tool. Here we can select if we want to create a vertical type mask tool, for example, horizontal type mask tool. Here we can just draw a rectangle for it and then type in whatever you want. Here you can select the font. We have a bunch of fonts, as you can see, some samples as well. Let's just see this one. Here we can set the size. Like this. Let's just select something and see this. And yeah, now we can just click on OK. And that should be working. Okay, like this. Like this. Now we should be able to move this here and yeah, I think you get the gist of it. That's basically it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.